Hello and welcome to Mr. Muffin Art Studio. I am Nargis Khan and today we're going to learn how to do this floral themed decoupage bottle. For the decoupage flower bottle, we need an empty and clean bottle. Here I've taken a bottle which has got these grooves which we'll be using. Gesso for priming, any acrylic white paint. I'm using a texture white paint, a very beautiful flowered tissue paper. We might end up using two. Varnish, Mod Podge, matte, some colors of your choice, and embellishments. We'll also be using brushes and glue. So to start with, I'm going to put gesso on the bottle. You can use a sponge brush also to do it. I'm using a flat brush here. Put a coat of gesso on the bottle. After the gesso has dried, I'm going to put a coat of white paint on the bottle. I'm using this normal foam and the acrylic paint here. I've taken the plate and I'm going to put on the bottle. So this will serve as a base coat for our tissue paper for decoupage, and because the paper tissue we have chosen is of very light base, so this white base coat will go well. So after this is done, so after we have applied the coat, let's keep it for drying. So after the paint has dried, this is how your bottle looks, and now we're ready to decoupage it. So just keep it aside and let's work on the tissue. This is what the design we've chosen. I'm going to cut out all these designs from this paper. Now how to do this? I'm just dipping my brush in water and going to run through the design. Okay, so we are good to go. So these are the ones that I've taken out, and we'll start with decoupage. Now we are ready to decoupage the bottle with the tissue cutouts. So using Mod Podge matte. So before we do that, I'm going to analyze where exactly I'm going to put it. So this is where I am going to put this tissue paper. So here we have to remove all the layers of it. It is a 3-layered paper. So we're going to remove one by one. So this is the first layer. Just remove it. And now we'll remove the second layer. Okay. Here. So here it is. And so this is the second layer. Okay. And now I'm going to paste it. So pasting it, I'm going to use the Mod Podge using a flat brush. So make sure you just apply the required amount of Mod Podge. Don't apply too much, or you might end up tearing the paper, or don't apply less, otherwise we'll have the air bubbles. So all that has to be taken into consideration. And now, yeah. I like working with my fingers. Sealing the edges with a little Mod Podge. Okay, now this is neat. Likewise, we'll keep on working. This, now we have just pasted all the tissue paper. So our design is complete. Let's keep it for drying for some time and come back. So after your bottle has dried, it looks like this. And now to seal the tissue paper, I am going to put a coat of Mod Podge on the complete bottle. Make sure you do it after it has dried for some time, otherwise you might end up tearing the tissue paper. So once you've done the coat, I have applied the coat, I'm going to keep it for drying. After your Mod Podge coat has dried, this is how your bottle looks. And now I'm going to paint the back side of it and a little color on the top. I'm trying to get a similar color of these flowers. So I'm using a pink here and mixing it with white. Let's see. Yes, this is quite close. Using the spawn brush, it's going to paint the back side of it. Yeah, now just keep this for drying. This might take a longer time. After your bottle has dried paint, I'm going to varnish it using compact quick drying varnish. You can use any varnish. This is a spray varnish. So spraying, just keep it for drying for some time. After the varnish is dried, yeah, your bottle is ready to be beautified. I have my embellishments ready. So because this bottle has a groove, it gives an interesting place to decorate it. I'm using these flowers to put it here, and it comes with a stick on. So just you can see it here. If you're using a normal flower, you can use any adhesive to stick it, yeah, and press it. And he'll go on and on. Just love to work with these grouped one bottles, and so I decided to show it how I do it. Yep, so here goes 3. I've got 3 more left. Let's go here down. This goes first, and yeah. Yes, here we go. So our decoupage floral bottle is ready. This is how it looks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.